How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking me. Where do you live?
I live in Nigeria. Where do you live?
I live in Bangladesh.
Where? Bangladesh.
It's next to India. Do you know India?
Close to India.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you?
I told you I'm fine. What's your name?
I see. My name is Sandra. Yeah, but I was thinking you may not be able to pronounce Amaka. What's your name?
My name is Walid Khan.
Walid Khan.
Pronounce Walid
Okay.
Khan.
Wali Khan.
Yes.
Right?
You did it.
Wali Khan. Okay. Oh.
It's an Arabic name, do you know?
Oh,
I'm a Muslim, so that's why it's Arabic name.
I see. So what's up?
Everything is good. Tell me about something about your country. I want to know.
Okay. Where do I start? First of all, you know what you do? I'm going to tell you some some story that you are going to be happy about.
Do you know I'm use this platform only for improve my English. I want to find someone who's very good in English because learning English is very difficult in our country. No one can speak and no one can understand also. That's why I'm here.
That means you are going to register online English so that you can learn. Because me, I'm not speaking good English neither.
No, you are very good.
I'm managing.
And your country,
I'm managing.
so many people is speaking in English.
I'm managing to speak a little I can. So you know what you do? You join an English class online. They are going to teach you how to speak English. Okay? Me, I'm not speaking good English. Okay?
No.
And then you are going to pay to learn so that you learn.
Yeah, I should learn, but I want to practice. That's why I'm here.
I understand, but I can't do that. I don't know how to teach you English. Meanwhile, I'm using a data to run my life, so I am not here to teach anyone English. Sorry. Do you understand me?
Yes, I can understand.
Good. So just do that. Just find